Thank you for your purchase from The Rich Beard. My goal is to make sure you know exactly how to use your products for the best results. Skincare package. You either got the whole kit, which includes toner, daytime and nighttime moisturizers and serums, or you got the AM kit or the PM kit. Don't worry, I'm gonna show you exactly on how to use these products so that you can achieve great skin, because clear skin does start with consistency. So first things first, toner. And don't worry, it says step 1. And yes, step 1 for morning and night. So what toner is going to do is remove the first layer of your skin over time, evening out those blemishes and any red spots. It would reduce that and make your skin much more clear. You do not want to get this in your eyes. So when you spray it on your face, close your eyes. I'll show you how to do that. It's very easy. All you do, I like to take about 8 pumps, but for the sake of the video, I'll probably do 2. So you just close your eyes, pump it on your face, and you could either leave it there or you could start to rub it in. Next thing you'd want to do is take your serum. Now this is the Brightening C Serum, which is vitamin C serum. It's very good. You want to take 2 pumps of this directly on your index finger and middle finger, just like that. And then you would take your other index finger and middle finger, tap and rub it. And then you would tap this around your face. That is gonna help distribute the product more evenly so that you don't just blop it in one area and call it a day. You wanna distribute the product so it's everywhere. Then you massage it in. And you would do the exact same for your moisturizer. You'd wanna take 2 pumps of this, 1 directly on your index finger, 1 directly on your middle finger. Just like that. You would take your other hand and you would tap it around, and then you would do the same. You would tap it around your face until it's evenly distributed everywhere, and then you would massage it in. And trust me, you will feel a difference. It makes a huge difference, and you won't know it until you start to use it. Great kit, I love it, I use it all the time. And you would do the exact same thing for your nighttime routine. You would do toner first, then your serum. It says nighttime step 2. Then you would do your moisturizer, which says nighttime step 3. And you would do the same thing, 2 pumps on each finger, massage it, distribute the product all over your face, then massage it in. And it doesn't take long to see the results. And that is how you use the Rich Beard skincare. Pro tip, if you do the beard care first, it's not bad to rub all the beard oils on your face, but it's not, you don't want it. So skincare first, beard care second, and then you should be good to go. It's not about one purchase, it's about results. Earn your style today with the Rich Beard.